And now viewers, moving on. Now Chenthamara, the accused in the sensational Pothundy double murder case, was sentenced on Saturday, which is October the 18th, to double life imprisonment for a previous murder that occurred 6 years ago at Pothundy in Palakkad, Kerala. Palakkad Additional District and Sessions Court Judge Kenneth George sentenced Chenthamara to a double term in prison and slapped a fine of Rs 3.25 lakh for murdering his neighbour Sajitha on August 31, 2019. The judge had already convicted him of murder, trespass and destruction of evidence in the case. The prosecution established that the motive for the murder was Chenthamara's vindictiveness towards Sajitha, stemming from his belief that she had caused his wife to leave him. On 31st October 2019, Chenthamara entered his neighbour Sajitha's kitchen with a machete while she was preparing lunch, and when her children were at school and her husband Sudhakaran was at work in Tamil Nadu. After killing her, Chenthamara disappeared into the Nelliyampat forest and was arrested when he emerged a day later. While out on bail, Chenthamara shocked Kerala by killing Sajitha's widower Sudhakaran and his mother Lakshmi in the same manner. They too were reportedly killed due to their suspected involvement in his family's desertion. The trial in the twin murder case is likely to begin soon. Additionally, the public prosecutor in this case, M.J. Vijay Kumar, has made a comment. Let's listen in to what he said.
It is now found, now the accused is found guilty and, under section 302, and he was granted imprisonment for life, and also under 449 an imprisonment for life was given. Apart from that, for 201 a 5 years imprisonment was also given, and there is a direction to give 3.25 lakhs of compensation to the victims. I am in the deceased daughters. This is the verdict given by the court.
I have my colleague Belly Thomas joining me. Now, Belly, this is a very, very shocking case. What more details can you tell our viewers about the proceedings now?
Chenthamara, the accused in the sensational Pothundy double murder case, was sentenced on Saturday to a double life imprisonment for previous murder that occurred 6 years ago in Pothundy in Palakkad district of Kerala. And the Palakkad Additional District Sessions Court-IV, Judge Kenneth George sentenced Chenthamara to double term prison and slapped a fine of Rs 3,25,000 for murdering his neighbour Sajitha on August 31, 2019. The judge had already convicted him of murder, trespass and destruction of evidence in this case, and the prosecution, represented by the prosecutor Vijay Kumar, succeeded in securing a conviction in the murder case by examining around 34 witnesses and presenting around 63 documents as material subjects. And the prosecution established that the motive for the murder was Chenthamara's vindictiveness towards Sajitha, stemming from his belief that she had caused his wife to leave him. And on 31st of August 2019, Chenthamara had entered his neighbour Sajitha's kitchen, like as you said, with a machete while she was preparing lunch, and when her children were at school and her husband Sudhakaran was at work in Tamil Nadu. After hacking her to death, Chenthamara disappeared into this Nelliyampat forest and was arrested when he emerged a day later. And on January 27, 2025, while he was out on bail, Chenthamara shocked Kerala again by killing Sajitha's widower Sudhakaran and his mother Lakshmi in the same manner. They too were reportedly killed due to their suspected involvement in his family's desertion, is what police sources tell us. And the trial in the twin murder case is likely to begin soon, and the murder of the mother-son duo had triggered severe criticism against the police and the government as such, who had reportedly ignored complaints and worries raised by Sudhakaran and his children against the permitting Chenthamara to come and stay at his house at Pothundy after he got a bail. Although the police had submitted the charge sheet in Sajitha's murder case in 2020, The trial began in August 2025. Several persons, including his estranged wife, her brother, and Chenthamara's friends, testified against him in the Sajitha's murder case. And while the prosecution sought capital punishment for Chenthamara, the defense lawyer argued that the verdict should not be influenced by the double murder that he had committed while being on bail. And Chenthamara's counsel argued that he had never been involved in a petty case even before the Sajitha's murder case